Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert PNG image to SVG in Photopea software. So get let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open page option. Now we find your PNG picture. Now select from PNG picture. Now click for open option. That is now resize your picture. Now you can now keyboard press from enter. Then we show open the PNG picture. This PNG picture from convert SVG. Now we going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from export as option. Now you can see, then select from SVG option, then select. Now you can see, then new name from new project. Now project name from choose. Now format. Now choose from format SVG, and we did on 1920, and I can see, then we select from save option. That it's now you can see convert PNG image to SVG in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.